Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the File Explorer preview is not working on your computer, then watch this video for the solution. So the solution is very simple folks. Just open the File Explorer and then click on these three buttons here. Click on Options and we will click on View. Here we will check this box, Show Preview Handlers in Preview pane, and click on Apply and click on OK. Then again come back to this folder options, and then click on restore defaults. And the last thing we need to do is restart the File Explorer. We can do that by looking for Task Manager, and we'll expand this. Look for the File Explorer or the Windows Explorer as it's called. Okay, here it is. Right click on it and then click on restart, and your File Explorer preview should start working. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.